Hello guys, welcome back to Proggy. So today we are looking at Avira browser safety. This is a Chrome extension free of cost that adds an extra layer of security while you are browsing. This is very popular you can see the number of users using that. So let's get started. First, what this particular extension does. So this is a very lightweight extension which has been developed by Avira. So this is a well-known cybersecurity company, and this will help you primarily to block malicious websites, detect phishing scams, block trackers which are trying to collect your browsing data, and even show you the safety ratings in your Google search results. So first thing first, how to install the extension. Go to Chrome's menu bar, click on extension, click on visit Chrome Web Store. This page will open up, click on Avira, that should be enough, and give it a search. Here you can see Avira browser safety, click on that, click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and that's it. The extension is now installed. One small note, though I'm showing you this entire video for Chrome, this is equally valid for Firefox also. So you have to go to the extension page of Firefox, which is shown like this, and from there you can also download Avira browser safety for Firefox. So let us test the particular extension whether it works or not. For that test, I have brought you up some sample websites which are very dangerous, so don't try this at home. This is the list of 100 most dangerous sites released by Norton. So let us take one. Let us take this one, yt118.com, and check whether um, the browser the extension which we installed is able to block it or not. So let's type it. As you can see, the extension is properly identifying this as a phishing website. So it is warning you, but if you want to continue anyway, and if you think that this is a false positive, then click on this continue anyway. But for this particular website, I will not be doing so. Let's test another one. Let's test this one, stock888.cn. So let's open in a new tab. Stock888.cn. So this is also getting blocked properly. So you can hope that this browser extension will be able to block at least known phishing sites very properly. Now the next feature for this extension is blocking of trackers which are tracking your activity. So for that, if you go here and click on the Avira browser safety, you will see that it is showing as a safe website and this is not blocking any trackers. So this is the default option, but you can change it. You have to go to this particular settings and then click or enable this block web tracking toggle. Now what will happen is that it will block trackers for every website, whether it's safe or whether it's not safe. So let us refresh it once and see how many trackers are there. So okay, now you can see that more than 15 trackers have been blocked on this particular website. So that's it for the small video. So this particular extension is a very simple but a powerful tool to make your Chrome browsing or Firefox browsing a little bit safer and more private. So if you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and great tutorials which are going to come up in future. Thank you.